We're gonna go in here and get us an ice cream at Brewster's. They got a little car show over here too, if you can see that. He's up there getting our ice cream. Gracie's eating her ice cream.
We also are the official carriers of the South Side Association, also this year
cruising for a cure.
Although Mother Nature,
Yeah.
we're much ahead. And on Friday it rained on us all day pretty much, and so we didn't have very good time.
Beautiful car, 41 wheelies.
You're gonna trade with me here in a couple weeks.
Like I could handle two.
Come on now. You know, Vern. Good.
Oh, that's a pretty truck there coming in. Yeah.
How y'all doing? Looking good.
If you're hot, this will warm you up fast. That is cool.
Thought about trying to pipe oxygen in. I thought, yeah, it's getting a little carried away because they're probably shooting flame to that trailer.
It was like a two-tone, tan on the top and black on the sides.
I like it all one color.
Yeah.
You're looking.
Tangerine, pearl metallic.
Yeah, boy, that's pretty in there too, ain't it? Is that 4-speed?
No, it's automatic.
Automatic? Okay.
My wife, we bought the seats and she did all the interior.
Yeah, I got a GTO coming in here. Come in pretty well. Right there, you kind of got that set up like a little
It's a
gasser.
gasser, I think.
It's like a gasser.
Yeah.
I think
That's
got the
I
tread
think
axle.
he races that. I think that's a serious race car.
They're screaming in the back. I'm trying to land this thing.
You got twin turbos on it. Nice.
Nice to meet your brother.
They work very well.
It's a 69 Chevrolet. What's the game? Old Dodge Power Wagon. That is sharp.
At Western Kentucky University, they do a great job with children up there. All kind of locations, thank O'Reilly Auto Parts for all the door prizes. Each and every week, they do that for a long time now. It's about $100 so a week, so I appreciate them for what they do for us. Also, Southern Lanes over here for letting us use some of the park lot each week. Our sponsors, Jason Cook & Son, Campbell Chevrolet, Final Finish, Morris County Bowling Green, NCM Insurance, National Education, look at that. I bet he's going, I bet $5 and come out here, be over here again and walk the hot wheel. What do you think? Anybody want that? Huh?